Prayers of Muhammad by A. H. Farid.
Let's pray for relief from insomnia and get a sound sleep tonight and always. Khalid Ibne Waleed, General of Islam, complained, "O Messenger of God, I remain sleepless during nights due to insomnia." Prophet Muhammad said, when you retire to bed, say this.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم رب السماوات والسبع ورب الشياطين وما أن أضلتكن لي جارا من شر خلقك كلهم. لو أنا يبغي عز جارك وجل ثناؤك ولا إله غيرك لا إله.
O God, Lord of the seven heavens, Lord of the devils of that which these sendest dray, be thou my protection against the evil of the whole thy creation, lest any of these should trespass me or oppress me. Mighty be thy protection and great be thy praise. There is no God other than thee, and there is no God but thee.